Have you ever seen those tiny numbers at the top right of other numbers? Or sometimes, depending on your calculator, you might see them written like this. Those are actually called exponents. Another name for them is power. For example, here you have the number 8 with an exponent of 12. This can also be called 8 to the power of 12. But what does that number mean? Well, it's the amount of times a number is multiplied by itself. The exponent is actually a shortcut. Here you have 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. Instead of writing it this way, you can use the shortcut or the power. You can just write 8 to the power of 4 because you multiplied 8 by itself 4 times. Here you have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. With exponents, all you have to do is just write 2 to the power of 6 because you multiplied 2 by itself 6 times. In common math language, you have two powers that have very special names, the square and the cube. The square is the power of 2, and the cube is the power of 3. And for all the other powers, you just say them like they are. For example, 3 to the power of 18. Just say the number. And that's about all you have to know about exponents. At least for now.